Good morning, children. How are you all? Today I am going to start a new lesson in geography, that is, the Earth, our living planet. We are living on the Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is the home for all forms of life, like plants, animals, and human beings, because of its suitable distance from the Sun, range of temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere, water cycle, etc. Our Earth is called by many names, some of them living planet, unique planet, watery planet, blue planet. Our Earth is most special planet in solar system. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the home for all forms of life because of its suitable distance from the Sun, range of temperature, suitable life supporting gases, etc. Earth is having many names. They are living planet, unique planet, watery planet, and blue planet. In Earth, water is available, so it is called watery planet. Water color is blue, so it is called blue planet. And Earth is suitable for all living forms, so it is called living planet. Totally, Earth is a different planet in the solar system. Size of the Earth, distribution of land and water bodies. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in the Sun's family. The diameter of the Earth is approximately 4 times greater than the Moon, and it's around 107 times less than that of the Sun. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in solar family. The size of the Earth is 4 times greater than the Moon and around 107 times less than the Sun. The total geographical area of the Earth is 510 million square kilometers, of which 361 million square kilometers is covered by water and 149 million square kilometer is covered by land. Thus, the Earth has unequal distribution of land and water. The ratio between the land and the water bodies is 1:2.43. The total geographical area is 510 million square kilometers. Out of that, 361 million square kilometer, which means 70.78% is covered by water, and 149 million square kilometers, that is 29.22% is covered by land. So the Earth has unequal distribution of land and water. The ratio between the land and water bodies is 1:2.43. This shows that in Earth there is an unequal distribution of land and water. Land and water not distributed equally in Earth. The Earth's shape is often described as geode, which literally means earth-shaped or oblate spheroid. Earth is exactly not a spherical shape. The shape of the Earth is called geode. Geode means earth-shaped or oblate spheroid, which means not a perfect sphere. The Earth is flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. The equatorial diameter of the Earth is 12,756 kilometers and the polar diameter is 12,714 kilometers. Equatorial circumference 40,076 kilometers and polar circumference 40,008 kilometers. The difference of 42 kilometers in diameter is the proof for regarding the geode shape of the Earth. Earth is flattened at the both poles at North Pole and South Pole and bulges at the equator. The equatorial diameter of the Earth is 12,756 kilometers and polar diameter is 12,714 kilometers. The diameter is measured in kilometers. This you see in the picture given in the textbook. In globe, middle line is called equator. The equatorial circumference is 40,076 kilometers and polar circumference is 40,008 kilometers. Circumference means one full round measured in kilometers. Students, if you are seeing numbers, all are not equal because it is the proof that Earth is not in the shape of sphere. If it is sphere, the numbers should come equal. Previously, I told you that the Earth is flattened at the poles and bulks at the equator. Because of that, there is a difference of 42 kilometers between equator and polar circumference. So, the shape of the Earth is geode. The land bodies of the Earth are known as continents. The land covered area in Earth are called continents. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Total there are 7 continents. The continents are land masses of large size. Asia is the largest continent in the world while Australia is the smallest continent. Asia is the largest continent while Australia is the smallest one. The large water bodies on the earth are called oceans. The water covered areas in a large are called as oceans in earth. There are 4 major oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific is the largest and deepest ocean while the Arctic is the smallest and shallowest ocean. The Pacific is the largest and deepest ocean. Opposite of that is Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest and shallowest. Shallowest means less deepest ocean. The land and water bodies are unevenly distributed between the northern and the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere has 60% of land and 40% of water. Therefore, it is called the land hemisphere. On the other hand, there is 81% of water and 19% of land in the southern hemisphere and so it is called water hemisphere. In the earth, the north part is mostly covered with land, so it is called a land hemisphere. In south, the most of the hemisphere is covered with the water, so it is called a water hemisphere. The another name for northern hemisphere is land hemisphere because it is covered more with the land. And southern hemisphere is also called as water hemisphere because most of the area is covered with the water. Next, latitudes and longitudes. We will study about this more in next class.